Hello and welcome to the crypt. Be quick update على البيتكوين and what a week كتير حلو. Since the last updates عملناهم Bitcoin had a perfect. So the plan worked well. طلعنا فوق ال June low. We reclaimed the trend line وهلا we're reclaiming this area. So the spot positions اللي أخذناهم, of course we started earlier نحن بالspot positions, بس هون we added a significant spot position على 17567 and now we're reclaiming a significant area اللي هي it's the entrance to the range اللي formed before the FTX crash. And this is really significant لأنه يعني كل هاي المنطقة اللي هون we can consider it a deviation. يعني just let me circle it. This area هلا it is a deviation طالما السعر بيضل هون. So this is really beautiful so far. The plan is going as we talked about. يعني today is 13th of January. نحن حكينا عن هالموف up specifically ب 27 December based على الvolume profile وعلى many aspects, and Bitcoin followed the plan perfectly. هلا طبعا ما كل شيء was followed perfectly. For instance, some altcoins really outperformed Bitcoin, and this surprised me a little bit. كنت متوقع انه البيتكوين dominance يكون more aggressive in its move, بس at least now it is picking up. It's very important انه for it to pick up. حكيت باخر فيديو انه هيدا هو النيك لاين، هيدا الخط الاصفر، وانه نحن we broke the neck line we are heading up. قبل ما يعمل heading up it retested lower area. So شو هي lower area اللي عمل لها testing؟ It is a smaller neck line. انا ما كنت منتبه له بس it's okay, it's still good. So this is the neckline اللي عمل لها تيست كمان لدبل بوتوم هون مثل ما شايفين. So عندنا double bottom, price went up, it retested, we are back on track. So expect Bitcoin dominance continue to go up, expect Bitcoin to continue to, or basically to start to outperform altcoins. I think هيدي أول الموف تبع البيتكوين. Yes, I do expect a retrace. So إذا نرجع للشارت البيتكوين نحن هلا بهاي الريجن اللي هي شوي critical لأنه احنا of course فوق هيدا البلوك بس الموف is extended. So كتير possible إنه نعمل retrace من هون. And probably the retrace would go to June lows اللي هي فيها confluence بين الترند لاين هذا اللي شايفينه والجون لوز of course، وبنفس الوقت التوب of the range. هون في عنا range نحن basically this is the top of the range, الاولد range اللي كنا فيه اللي هو هذا الرينج. يعني this range اللي صار لنا من نوفمبر فيه. So retesting June lows would be very reasonable here. هلا طبعا يمكن ما يعمل retest البيتكوين، يمكن يكفي and this is very possible. So we continue to add. إذا عمل dip we add on the dip. إذا ما عمل dip we hold our positions and we always look ل new positions to trade. The primary target هلا يعني إذا ضلينا above this area أو we retested next area of interest لإلي أنا شخصيا هي الانترسكشن بين هاي الاوردر بلوك اللي هون مع ال EMA 200 على الديلي. So this is a very important area, very important area. وأنا حكيت عنها بالفيديو اللي قبل إنه أنا I would shift to a medium time frame bullish outlook إذا بنكسر وبنسكر فوق ال 21478 أو basically 21500. So طبعا I don't expect إنه دغري هاي الاريا we break it. We might go here for instance and then go back here or basically range a little bit under it. But eventually once we break it this is another area I intend to add spot positions in. So to recap, احنا هلا above this area الموف كانت كتير حلوة since we entered. So we were talking about هاي الموف بهاي الاريا تقريبا, and we had a nice rally. Okay, now we expect one of two things. Bitcoin will retest the intersection of June low مع the trend line, or it will continue higher to the first major target اللي حكينا عنه ب last video. So this is in short basically the quick update. هلا في شغلة of course I wanna highlight here. إذا بنروح على high block capital اللي هو it gives us شوية liquidity information, بنشوف إنه هاي الاريا اللي هي 18172 في liquidity, في basically longs, a lot of longs, 50x longs هون. So في cluster كبير of people فاتحين future positions, so price could go down, liquidate them and go up. ما ضروري ينزل ل 17500. بنفس الوقت في huge cluster هون, يعني في cluster كبير of longs بين 16400 و 17000 أو 16900 specifically. So كمان the price could go as deep as 16800 700 900 and then go up. So price مثل ما قلنا liquidity is a magnet for price. Now usually لو كنا برينج, يعني لو كنا برينج هيك والprice was within a range, okay, كنت بتوقع انه الprice will always look for these liquidity pockets, okay. بس بما انه فتنا بترندing move, يعني this is the definition of a trending move. Usually بترندing moves Bitcoin ما بيعطي retraces كبيرة. So if I had to guess, I would say 17500 is the most logical retrace area. Okay, كمان بتاخد اللوز اللي هون. The next most logical area هي هاي البوكيت اللي هون. Okay, before going up. The least logical area هي اللي deep retrace. Okay, deep retrace في كتير كمان ناس are waiting for it. Deep retrace طبعا could make people feel the price action is bearish, but it's not really. It's still bullish even if we go back down here. Imagine that. We just بس المهم انه to take this liquidity and then see a very nice reaction. إذا ما شفنا nice reaction, yes في سبب نكون worried, بس as long as we see a nice reaction there is no worry at all. And of course في سيناريو اللي قلنا عنه قبل انه ممكن السعر يضل طالع and in the end هلا price action. So most probable we will see a retrace. That's the higher probability. But in case we don't, the next area of interest هي 20984 لا 21478. This is where I'm keeping my eyes and looking. Okay, so that's basically the quick update. I will share another update for altcoins. So altcoins بعدني متوقع انه الموف تبعيتهم ما بلشت. Once Bitcoin retraces حتكون الريتريس تبع الالتكوينز more aggressive لانه البيتكوين دومينانس حيكون عم يطلع. expect انه يكون في عنا some beautiful entries على الالتكوينز اللي بيكونوا lagging للبيتكوين also. Thank you and enjoy your evening.